do a real quick video on the connection between the upper receiver and the lower receiver, and that is your takedown pin, your spring pin, and your plunger. These parts are listed as 7, 8, and 9 in the numeric catalog. So the spring goes in, and somehow you got to hold that spring down, and then push this in so that it yeah, I'm not sure how I'm going to do that unless I put something in here to hold it down. I don't know. I'm thinking this out while I'm doing it. Gotta be careful. I don't want to lose that spring. So if I okay, now that's down. Now if I can stick that in there. Oh, I almost lost it. Yeah, this is going to be a challenge. It's got to go in that slot. I have no idea how you do that at the moment. Okay, I got to be careful. I almost lost it. No idea how to do this. I've got to hold that spring down and somehow at the same time oh great. Yeah, I lost it already. It flew right out. Okay, I found it. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to do this though. Maybe a smaller pin. Okay, I got it in. There's no way I was going to get that on camera. I lost the spring twice. I'm lucky I found it. But I finally got it in, and I'm not going to mess with it because I have to finish this assembly, and I don't want to do it while it's in here because that could be difficult. And then I can put this together. So I'm just going to leave it like that for now and set it aside and finish the assembly of the receiver.